In your letter to Daddy?
Yeah.
What are you telling him? Huh?
My daddy?
Yeah, that's your daddy. And which one's Carter? Carter. Yeah, which one's Daddy though? Which one's Daddy?
That's Leo.
Oh, that's Daddy. Where's Carter at?
I am Leo.
I know you're there, but where's Carter at on the picture?
Picture.
Uh-huh. Yeah, he's on the swing. Good job. Okay, did you write Daddy and tell him you love him?
Yeah.
Okay, what else do you want to say? How about hi?
About a time.
Huh?
About a time.
Yeah? Tell Daddy, look at this, look at the camera. Look at the camera. Tell your daddy hi. On the camera.
Grandma?
Yeah, say hi, Dad. Tell him you're gonna be 3 pretty soon. How old are you now, Carter? Carter, are you 2?
No. I'm Madonna.
Huh? What do you got?
Huh?
Oh, the lid? Okay.
I let that go.
Huh?
I really let that go.
Yeah.
But,
Carter, what's your daddy's name?
huh?
Remember what I told you? Say Nathan Pham.
That's a bell?
Uh-huh. And what's your name? What is your name? You know, Mommy always says it. Carter Pham. Look at the camera and say, Carter. Say happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day.
Happy birthday.
Yeah. Blow a kiss to the camera. Blow a kiss. Go. Mwah. Now dance. Shake your butt. I didn't say spank your butt. I said shake your butt. Yeah, shake it. Okay. Say peace out. Say peace out.